Ladies and gentlemen, Shantanu and Nikhil.
For Shantanu and Nikhil. Today we have Malaika and Ritesh. Shantanu and Nikhil, let's start with you. Tell us about your collection, about the person walking the ramp for you, and how you feel and everything and stuff.
So we'll make this really quick so that you all can go home. This was, I think, the first time that at Lakme or maybe on the Indian platform where we got a chance to showcase two collections separately. It wasn't where one collection had both men's and women's, and this was an effort we made sincerely because we felt our women's wear should be catered to the women we cater to, and the men don't need to be forced into it or vice versa. And our men are very, very strong. They obviously demand that attention, and I think it's about time our men get some attention. So we felt this would be a good platform to do so. Having said that, Malaika still steals the attention away from all the men.
No. I think the men today stole all the attention, if you ask me.
So yeah.
So continuing from where Nikhil left, the idea was to do something unique. The idea was to do two stories, one maybe fictional, the other one based on a real incident in 1919. That's why the collection, the menswear story was called The Mutiny. It had some anecdotes of the Jallianwala Bagh incident and how, as a community, the Sikhs always hold themselves in really high esteem and pride. Both the collections had a common sort of crossover where it was all about strength, resilience, resurrection, so to say, belief, positive belief that there is life after death. So both the collections had similar anecdotes. The Mutiny obviously had Ritesh walking for us, perfect protagonist, I would say, with the way he's looking, the way he's carrying himself, and Malaika, of course, had every nuance of how a matador woman should be, full of fierceness, grace, femininity, and at the same time strength.
Thank you. Malaika, would you like to say a few words?
Well, like I said, I think Shantanu Nikhil said everything that needed to be said, but I think the men really were fantastic tonight. Even though we're here, we kept discussing about the fact that how women, right now are really shining, and women are out there and they're doing their thing, and they're so powerful, etc., etc. But for me tonight, I have to say, the men just were outstanding. Ritesh, you were phenomenal. I think men in turbans look really handsome, and I still can't stop staring. And I have to say that you all have done such a fantastic, outstanding collection for both men and women, and I'm really glad and I'm really happy that I finally got a chance to walk for you. For years we've been discussing it.
Yes.
I love your clothing, and I'm really glad that I can be here to portray that strong, fierce, feminine woman that you were talking about.
Thank you. That's very, very sweet.
And Ritesh, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, thank you so much, Malaika. I think you were looking absolutely stunning. And
It's mutual admiration.
no, it's not about mutual admiration. I'm sure everyone, I almost forgot that I have to walk. I was stuck there looking at you. You looked gorgeous. And Shantanu and Nikhil have been friends for a very long time. I'm so happy and glad that I got a chance to walk for them today. And today being special because the kind of strength the collection showed, and also the collection itself, Mutiny, there's a sense of pride, a sense of hope, and like Shantanu said, a sense of resurrection. There's a lot of strength in each and everyone who walked on stage. And it was my long-standing dream to wear a pug and see myself, but who better than Shantanu and Nikhil? You know, I get to wear this walk for them, and that too to a certain concept which I absolutely adore. So thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you.
guys.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Any questions?
Anything? I secretly have a crush on him.
I would also like to introduce Karan Chitru Deshmukh. He did.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes, I have to say this is the first time I walked to live music, and I think our percussionist was fantastic. So let's please give him a huge round of
big hand.
applause. I think it was really, really amazing.
Thanks for bringing Spain alive for us. I mean, it's amazing how live music can change emotions. It can bring a lot of new essence to people who are sitting, and I'm really glad that you made it.
And after a long time, a stage had two Deshmukhs.
Let's open the floor for a few questions.
Nikhil, how do you always come up with such, both of you,
Yeah.
revolutionary thoughts?
I think that we are very real people, and we witness our life on a daily basis. We are very organic in our thought. We are Punjabis, and Amritsar is very close to us. And as it is with our travels, when we travel to different places, we again look at people, and I think that's what drives us. So I don't know if it's revolutionary, but really we're just living simple lives.
Shantanu and Nikhil, congratulations for the show. We were all discussing among colleagues, though they didn't told me to, but this one was the most perfect show which we have seen in the Leopard Fashion.
Woo! Wow!
Thank you.
That's a great honor.
Papa ji kaun the pehle?
Papa ji?
There are some real life heroes talking
Acha,
about
no,
In the
so
show,
it is
yeah.
important that, as real as we are, we wanted to portray people who are from reality. Daljit is a friend of ours from Delhi, and so is Manak, who are reals with us. And by them walking, actually they brought in that influence very well for us. Because reality is where I think fashion is also going. It's not about fantasy anymore.
Malaika,
Ritesh from the defense background or
Nahi ji,
the
nahi.
freedom fighters?
No, freedom fighters.
No, somebody from their generation. I think you said.
I think as a community, people their great grandfathers are all connected. The family tree is it's all connected to Punjab. So at some point, yes, I'm sure.
Malaika, आपको देख के सांसें और धड़कनें दोनों थम गई।
आपकी भी सांस है?
करना था रितेश के इंतजार में, लेकिन बाकी फिर आप चली गई तो किसी तरह से वापस
Can we ask questions?
नहीं, it's a very, very valid question.
Ritesh,